Welcome to the 4-minute morning for the 27th day of February 2018. It's a Tuesday. My name's Derek. Like always, everything is within your own risk, own reward. This video is primarily going to focus on Fibonacci retracement. After it did not find any resistance at the 38.2% level in the middle of February within Bitcoin, price action did not have a fast move up to the previous or the next key Fibonacci level. Rather, it came up majorly below it. Found support at that level, which is something I'm looking at. It looks like it wants to break free from this 18 average, and if it does, I'm going to be very I don't think this level is going to be the greatest of resistance in at 12,584. The Fibonacci upside from this high and this low is in at around the high 13,000 area, so I wouldn't be surprised if it does break through, that it breaks this intensely. Also a break of a resistance, you don't expect it to find a new one barely above it. So I'm not going to expect much out of the 12,584 handle. And any breaks above the 20,000 level, the next key levels I'll be looking at would be those ones there. Moving on to Litecoin, and it's had major resistance at this first key or second 61.8% level. Did not find any here. And it's had this nice higher low, and it's just hanging in with the 18 average of highs. This looks like a very bullish setup to me. And just like the Bitcoin price, I think again here, there's really not only going to be like short-term resistance, at least that's what I would project. And then it could have some very promising moves if in the next couple of days this thing breaks free. As far as its levels breaking above its high, these will be the next three that I'll be looking at. Let's move on now to some altcoins crossed against Bitcoin. And we'll start off with ZCL, Z Classic, which is your classic go up about 200 times from December the 7th through January the 14th. A 200x gain in a little over 1 month. A 23.6% down correction is in at 57.2. Then down here at the 26.4 handle, you have the 38.2% down level. And the 61.8% down level is in at 75. Price action has barely broken down below this level of key support. I would expect that in the short term, it should make a move maybe down towards this level, then maybe come up and find some resistance here. And I have no idea from this point how it's going to work out. But when a market goes up 200 times like this and it really hasn't had any price correction, I don't want any part of it whatsoever unless I strongly know fundamental analysis that can stride me otherwise. Moving on to THC, which is hemp coin. I have been talking about this for a little while and how I wanted to wait for this to have a decent sized decline, at least to around 1,000, as this thing went up all the way to 5,000. So it's almost lost 5 times its value. And the Fibonacci downside from this move here to this would state that's where it should go. But even if we just look at this little move in here, we need to look at this on a shorter term time frame. What we can see is that this move on the rally from the 24th that sparked up in here, that would also state a move to the 1,000 handle. 1,000 is the upper area of the range I'm expecting this to go to, as the range is between 500 and 1,000. I'll be a decent sized buyer at the 1,000, small buyer at 750, and a decent buy after that at 500. The final code will be BITB. It's had this big rally. These are the 3 key levels, 199, 163, and 117. Looking further at the 199 handle. We'll use the hour time frame. Major support, major support, major support. It is broken down in here. I'm expecting this to go down to 163 soon. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.